N'a demandé police nationale d'Haïti, n'a demandé militaires pour prendre responsabilité, arrêter Ariel Henry et encore une fois et pas peuple qui est nous et pas les gars qui est nous arrêter Ariel Henry pour nous libérer le pays ça n'a pas gens noirs sorti grand zam ça yo nous pas gagner pour nous faire monter dans même couche sociale avec nous mal malgré si on prend la rue à faire nous confiance zam ça c'est symbole liberté nous zam ça aussi avec nous libérer le pays et c'est zam ça qui est tout changer le pays.
Haiti's government declared a state of emergency on Sunday, following violent clashes, damaged communications and 2 prison breaks. That as a major gang leader seeks to oust Prime Minister Ariel Henry. A curfew was imposed with immediate effect throughout the West Territory for 72 hours. A dramatic escalation in violence in the capital over the weekend saw armed groups break into the country's largest prison. It was unclear how many inmates were on the run. Sources close to the institution said it was likely an overwhelming majority. Built to hold 700 prisoners, it held 3,687 as of February last year, according to rights group RNDDH. When Reuters visited on Sunday, there were no signs of police officers and the main prison doors remained open. Gang leader Jimmy Cherizier, a former police officer, has called for criminal groups to unite and overthrow Henri. He warned locals to keep children from going to school to avoid collateral damages, as violence surged as the Prime Minister sought support abroad. Nearly 15,000 people have been forced to leave their homes in recent days, according to the UN International Organization for Migration. Prime Minister Henri had previously pledged to step down by February. He later said security must first be re-established in order to ensure free and fair elections.
Good afternoon. Go ahead.
The situation on the ground in Haiti
has
deteriorated even further. What's the U.S. assessment of where things go from here? Our understanding is the Prime Minister is not in the country. Is the U.S. trying to facilitate his return there? And then are there any plans to evacuate the embassy at this point?
So first of all, we are closely monitoring the situation and condemn efforts by gangs to further destabilize and take control of Haiti. It's our understanding that the Prime Minister is returning to the country. We think it's important that that he do so and that he be allowed to do so. Many of those responsible for the uptick in violence have been designated by the United States under the Global Magnitsky Act and illicit drug sanctions programs, and by other members of the international community under their authorities. And I think the actions you've seen these gang members take over the last few days shows exactly why they have been so designated. And it also underscores the urgency of finalizing the multinational security support mission to assist the Haiti National Police in dealing with the dire security situation on the ground. With respect to the embassy remains open. We announced yesterday that the embassy has moved to limited operations with no public services available the first 3 days of this week due to the ongoing violence in Port-au-Prince.
Wonder that if the Western countries sent